So here's how you can join video clips together on your iPhone. Let's get started. So you can do a bunch of edits inside of the phone, or the phone's Photos app, right? The built-in gallery. Like you can perform some changes, like you can edit the photo and whatnot. But outside of that, it is kind of limited. So what you need to do in that sense is to get a video editor. So you have two main options, I would say. You can get the iMovie, which is the built-in or like the official software from Apple. It works for joining the clips, but it's very limited, right? You can get the app, start a new project, and import it onto the timeline. So you just choose the clips, make them appear right there, and you can export it all together. Like you can even cut it and like add some basic effects and transitions. And once you're done, you can export it and then just end up with a joined clips together. But if you asked me on a personal level, well, I don't really use iMovie, and the reason is that it's a very simple app and it just doesn't serve me well enough. For a little bit more advanced edits, I like to use CapCut, which is free to download and can be used for free as long as you don't tap into the premium features. You can still get most stuff done right there. But for combining videos, you can create a brand new project, import the clips, then put them together, rearrange or perform some edits, and click on export, and the joined clips will be saved in your gallery. So using this type of software, you can do a lot. So iMovie, again, is completely free and everything you can use there will be free. But then we also have CapCut, which is much more powerful, but then some features are actually paid. So up to you to decide. Obviously, some other apps and video editors are available, but these are the most popular ones. So let me know what you think. Thanks a lot for watching and stick until the end. And I'm going to catch you later in the next tutorial.